In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a template folder in Wrike. Let's dive into this step-by-step process, which will help you organize your projects more effectively and save valuable time in your workflow. First, you'll want to log into your Wrike account. Head over to wrike.com, enter your credentials, and access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. This dashboard serves as your central hub for managing tasks, projects, and everything in between. Now we're going to navigate to the Projects and Folders section. This is a key area in Wrike where you can organize your various projects into folders for easy access and efficiency. To find this section, look for the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. It's typically anchored under the main navigation bar, ensuring you can get to it quickly. Click on Projects and Folders to proceed. With the Projects and Folders section now open, it's time to choose a folder that you want to use as a base for your template folder. Think of this as selecting the starting point. It's from here that you'll create a new template-specific folder. If you already have a folder in mind, simply click on it to select it. Remember, choosing the right folder will streamline the process of accessing your templates later. Next up, we're going to create a new folder, and this is where the template magic happens. Look for the Add or New button, which you'll typically find at the top corner of the Projects and Folders section. Click it to initiate creating a new folder. When prompted, name this new folder Templates. This name is both intuitive and universal, helping you and your team immediately recognize it as housing your reusable content. Finally, ensure that you've saved this new setup. It's a simple but crucial step. Double check that everything is in place and your new Templates folder is ready to go. With this folder created, you can now start adding tasks, projects, or any other content that you frequently use, transforming them into a structured template library. This setup not only reduces repetitive work, but also encourages consistency across your projects. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a template folder in Wrike that will prove invaluable in managing your workflow efficiently. Whenever you're working on a new project, just dip into this folder and make your workflow seamless and organized. This process will save you lots of time in the long run by streamlining tasks and enhancing productivity. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on maximizing your Wrike experience.